Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, wherever you are in this world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you are watching this video from. This is Success Media. Of course, yes, you've heard me. This is Success Media. Make sure that you've already pressed subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see all our new posts. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about something which is most important. We are going to see the top 10 of the best filmmakers in Burundi. Just a second, let's get started. The first one is a great man called John Kelly. He is an actor, director, and a producer, and he lives in Australia. He is a famous and role model of many Burundian filmmakers. He was very known in a film called Corpse Enemy, the movie that he collaborated with a famous filmmaker in Africa, Vanvika Ghanaian, Wema Sepetu Tanzanian, and many known filmmakers in Africa and in Australia. His official YouTube channel is The Right of Africa. The second one is Fanny Lavin. She is a great woman, filmmaker in Burundi. She was very known in a movie called Urugendo, Umufakazi series, Samantha, and many others full movies and series that many people in Burundi and abroad liked. Her official YouTube channel is Fanny Lavin Official. The third one is Liberty Iradukunda, also known as Solo the Hero. He is a very known man, very intelligent, and also he is a CEO and coach of Burundi Film Academy. He was very known in Solo the Hero series that many Burundians liked, and he is the only one who started to make the action movies in Burundi. He is also known in many series such as Ledge Trigger, Behind the Smile, and the currently trendy series called Feu Rouge. His official YouTube channel is Solo. Number 4, Abel Nduwayo. He is a very known filmmaker in Burundi. He made a great deal of full movie and series, such as Imanga series, The Craziness series, Manyanga series, Indiadia series, and many others. His official YouTube channel is Abel Nduwayo Official. Number 5, Joachim Smith. He is a very known man, filmmaker, and artist, singer of secular music. He made several full movie and series such as Ibanga series, Diaspora full movie, Ichize Chubuzima series, Ibanga Ry'ubuzima series, Ikigeragezo series, and many others. His official YouTube channel is Joachim Smith. Number 6, Sabas Nkurunziza. He is a very known filmmaker in Burundi and artist, singer of gospel music. He made a lot of films and series such as Ubuzima and arts in many films such as Intore Nindi, Umufakazi series, Fear Woman, and many others. His official YouTube channel is Sabas Burundi. Number 7, Aluvera Muhimbari. She is a famous Burundian young lady, filmmaker, and artist, singer of gospel music. She made tons of movies such as My Life Story, Umwanya Film, and many others. Her official YouTube channel is Alvera Muhimbare. Number 8. Mutoni Ornella. She is a famous Burundian woman filmmaker. She is known in many different movies such as Ichigwa full movie, Ingingo series, and Save the Date, and many others. Her official YouTube channel is Mutoni Ornella Official. Number 9. Kanyana. Jaja Kanyana. She is a famous Burundian young lady filmmaker. She is very known by acting in a movie called Kanyana series. Also in Fuya Women film. Her own movie is Ibanga Ry'Urugo, Isoni film, Amahitamo Yanje, Back or Not, and many others. Her YouTube channel is called Jaja Kanyana. Number 10. Mimi Official. She is a Burundian famous woman filmmaker and artist singer of gospel music. She made and acts in many different films such as Ibintu by'Umuvyeyi, Inama, and many others. Her YouTube channel is Mimi Official. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you so much for abiding patiently with us. Subscribe for more. This is Success Media. See you in the next video. Thank you.